guys, we just put water in the balloon. This is Squishymallow, but this is not the full recipe of Squishymallow. No, there's 4.
Okay, we're gonna run. Okay, guys, run in 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Back up! Back up! Remember, we're gonna put it in popular stores, and the 5 golden ones is gonna come to our factory of this Squishymallow. Okay, so peace out.